Here we are going to show you the best way to apply Aqualite anti-glare film to small screens such as laptops, tablets or phones. First, you will need to make sure that the screen is both free of dust and completely clean. The best way to do this is using an alcohol-based spray and a microfiber cloth. Wipe thoroughly until the screen looks nice and clean. A great way of checking to make sure you've got rid of all the dust on the screen is to use a torch. This will sharp any dust particles. You can then use a sticky lint roller to remove those particles individually. Once you are happy the screen is clean, place it on a flat, firm surface. Pick up the anti-glare screen. This has coverings on both sides and both coverings are marked with a tab. Peel off the tab that says this side first and discard the backing. Without touching the exposed side of the anti-glare film, carefully position it to line up with one end of the screen. It's really important to get this right, so take your time lining it up. Once you are happy with the position, using a squeegee, slowly and carefully press the film onto the screen, then very carefully work your way across using the squeegee. If you spot any bubbles, remove them. If you get any big bubbles, you may have to go back and start the whole process again. Don't worry, you can repeat this process several times if you need to. What is important is that you get as many air bubbles out as possible. Don't worry, if you've positioned the film and then you find you have missed a few air bubbles, these can still be removed. You can usually get these out with a squeegee, and if you find you have some bubbles still there because of dust particles, don't worry, you can get rid of these too. And a really good way to do this is to wrap a bit of sellotape, sticky side out, around the end of a biro or pencil, peel back the film and carefully position the sellotape so you can get those last little bits of dust off. It's a great way of removing it. Then seal the film back down. Peel off the outer protective layer and the job is complete, and you can use your screen as normal. And this includes touch screens. Sometimes a few air bubbles may still remain. These will normally dissipate over a period of time, and they will not affect the viewing experience. Great for reducing the glare from the sun outside and reducing the glare from lights inside. And for protecting your screen, use Aqualite anti-reflective film for an enhanced viewing experience.